Hey, this is Dr. Simons from Dr. Simons Weight Loss, and we had the hurricane last week, and so that really kind of stunted the week, if you will, and we were running a special that we're going to run again this week because a lot of you didn't get a chance to take full advantage of that. So the special is this. There's two actually, and the first is any single lipotropic injection is half price. So the Super B, the Fat Burn Plus, if you come in and get one of those, they're half off. Super B is normally $40, so it's $20. The Fat Burn Plus is normally $30, and it's $15. So that goes all this week. The second special is on the Celebrate Complete Meal Replacement Kits. They call that the Path to Success. It's a 10-day complete reset on your diet. It's a complete meal replacement system that you do for 10 days to get everything in your diet life reset. All of your habits. You eat on a certain schedule, they provide all the things, they tell you how to do it, and you just eat and drink the products 6 times a day is what it is, and you'll find that that resets everything in the right place. All your behaviors, you don't have to figure anything out, the protein, the fat, the calories, the carbs, it's all figured for you, and it gives you a good reset. And this is the perfect time to do it, because you're now in this period between Labor Day and Halloween, and you know that once Halloween hits, that whole kind of festive holiday season starts where people get into a lot of trouble on diet and weight. So it's a good time to do it, to get reset, to get recommitted. And if you buy one of those kits, they're $150, and if you buy one of those kits this week, we're gonna give you a Super B, which is worth $40 for free. So buy a kit, get the Super B free. So that's the two specials, half price, any lipotropic injection, and the second is buy a 10-day Celebrate Meal Reset Kit, and you're gonna get the Super B for free.